blue? Pink or blue? Go. Baby grows for blue with robots on. Baby grows for pink, no robots on. Baby grows for pink with flowers on. Baby grows for blue, no flowers on. Little pink picks a daisy chain. Great. Little blue picks a daisy chain. Gay. Little blue climbs a tree. Strong boy. Little pink climbs a tree. Tomboy. Pink falls down. Pink is given more hugs. Pink tears are loud. Blue tears must man up. Grow some bollocks, toughen up. Don't be such a girl, blue. Now blue hair is cut short. Pink hair is let long. Pink is given toy dolls. Blue is given toy guns. Pink is told to be cute. Blue is told to be bigger. Pink shoes, no grip. Blue shoes, no glitter. Now blue legs start growing hair and pink legs start growing hair. Blue is told it's manly, pink is told to shave theirs. Blue is shown as blood, in action, films, fights, pride. Pink starts bleeding every month, told blood, shh, shame, hide. Pink discovers lust, wrong. Blue discovers lust, nice. Now blue is called a player, but pink is called a sket. Pink is told they glow, but blue is told they sweat. Blue is told they wank, pink is told they sin. Or blue is called a pussy, pink is called a bitch. Now pink is told to be a lady, do not spit, swear, smell. Blue is told to be a man, do not cry or ask for help. Blue is told to man up, pink is told to make up. Blue is told to stay strong, pink is told to stay young. Blue is told to get rich, pink is told to want kids. Blue is told they mansplain, pink is told they gossip. Blue is told they're bosses, pink is told they're bossy. Blue is given breakdowns, pink is given Botox. Cunnilingus is censored more than rape scenes or blowjobs. Blue is told, this makes a man. Pink is told, this makes a girl. Babies born in naked flesh, welcome to the world.